Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to upload story on Telegram channel. So let's get started. First of all, open Telegram application. After that, open your Telegram channel. Then click on your channel name at the top. After that, click on three dots at the top right corner. Then click on Archived Stories option from here. After that, click on Add a Post button from here. Then go to your file manager by clicking on the image. After that, here you choose a photo or a video which you want to upload to your story. Then if you want to add music to your story, then click on stickers icon from here. After that, click on audio option from here. Then select an audio from your file manager which you want to add to your story. After that, here you can edit your music by clicking on the audio layer. Then click on next button at the bottom right corner. After that, if you want to post your story to your Telegram channel, then click on next arrow icon at the right side of the personal account option. Now here you select your Telegram channel. Here I will select this story to my personal account. So here I will select personal account. Then here you select everyone. After that, just turn off the allow screenshots option. Now no one can take screenshots from your story. After that, click on post story button at the bottom. Now your story will be posted on your selected account or channel. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.